Hi, students. Welcome to week 4 of quarter 2 of American history. So this week we're going to continue our discussion on the American Revolution, and we're going to have 3 goals. So the 3 goals for this week are kind of between now and Thanksgiving, because this unit actually is extra long. So we'll go through the rest of this week and the 2 days before Thanksgiving. And so then I'll see you back the Monday after Thanksgiving. So our 3 goals are: I can identify founding myths and founding facts. So in this unit, we're going to talk about the difference between how we remember history and kind of the stories that we're told in movies and in media and through monuments, and founding facts. So what actually happened back in the 1770s, and why there are differences between those two, and why it's important that we know the differences. So then the second thing we're going to talk about is why those founding myths exist, when they might be useful and when they're not useful. And then the third thing that you should know by the end of this module is the sequence of events that lead up to Lexington and Concord. So in our last unit, we talked about how at the end of the French Revolution, so not French Revolution, sorry, at the end of the French and Indian War, so in the 1760s, most colonists were very happy with their relationship with Great Britain. They were totally fine with it. But by 10 years later, in 1774 and 1775, there are people dying because the disagreements have gotten so bad. So being able to describe what happened in that 10-year decade, in that 10-year period between, yeah, we're totally fine with our government and now we're killing each other over it. You should be able to do that by the end of this week. So that is this week. Just a reminder, Thursday is our discussion session. Please try to make it this week, because we are going to be going over kind of a big assignment where we talk about these things: founding myth, founding fact. It's something we're going to do together. So if you're not there, then it will be a lot harder for you. So Thursday discussion session, and I'll see you there. There will be no discussion session on Thanksgiving. Do not come on Thanksgiving. But I will see you this week.